Welcome to this serene historical residence, perfectly situated on a gentle hill, surrounded by evergreens and rhododendron, and looking down on a burbling creek teeming with wildlife. This Milwaukie home is truly a gem. From the moment you step inside, you'll feel the warmth of the natural light and the allure of the backyard that is a nature lover's dream. This 3-bedroom home has so much charm, from the bright living room with its gas fireplace and exquisite views, to the upstairs bedrooms looking down on the creek and expansive backyard. In the additional historical log cabin family room, this home is truly one of a kind. I'm Zayda Arzen with eXp Realty. I hope you love this home as much as I do.